Okay, thank you so much, guys. Do you want more? Okay, here we go. This time, guys, I would like to show to you the one of my winning magic, a magical metal ring. Okay, this is a metal ring, a solid ring, heavy. It's a metal, right? Do you want to check it or touch it? Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. You touch it already, right? Okay. Thank you.
You're wrong. Like he was embarrassed.
Happy birthday, my baby.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, my baby.
Believe me. it's
Yeah.
not-
And then I stop. And I say, you do.
See? Okay. Okay. Check it.
Wala na tayong mababalot mamaya, August. Wala na
It's a
tayong
metal
mababalot.
ring, right? Yes, a metal, right? All right. One more. Okay. It's a hole. Okay, what? It's a metal ring. See it? Okay, watch. Watch. Hey! Right? Okay, one more. I got a partner here, right? Okay, here we go. Ready? Watch, guys. Watch.